Kiduzoo! Let's learn the alphabet. Are you ready? A is for apple. B is for bee. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please follow, like, and share. Goodbye! Kiduzoo!